So the baby's head's down right now?
Part of the brain there. Oh, I'm sorry, the head's up actually. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna have to go down a lot lower with those pants. You might need to bring that leg down too. That's not too uncomfortable for you. There you go.
Yeah, I've noticed it's really low.
Well, they are actually a lot lower than we realize, because eventually it'll be up in your ribs, but
Right.
no, this is a normal.
It's normal?
This is the baby's leg bone, thigh bone.
That's wild.
Are those hands?
The hands, legs, everything. Yeah, I'm kind of.
Are you moving it around?
I'm trying to chase the baby. Yeah. Baby's moving a lot.
Baby's really active. It was moving when I was sitting in the waiting room.
So this is the baby's thigh bone, the leg. And now we're going to measure the belly, take like a belt measurement. Circumference of the belly.
This is amazing.
And they measure everything at each ultrasound. And then they compare it as to the growth to make sure everything's normal.
Okay, growth of the baby's just fine. It's measuring just like it should be, about 21 weeks.
That movement in the middle, is that the heart?
There's his hands.
That's the heartbeat.
Yeah, right there.
Right, you see that? That's the heartbeat.
There's the hands.
Here, yeah, we're back at the head. So I'm just doing a head to toe measurement now. This is the baby's head and brain. That's good.
We're really hoping to find out sex today too, because we still don't know.
Sure, I'll be happy to take a look.
Oh,
That's a spine.
Spine.
Oh my God.
Oh, jeez, that's so weird.
Pretty
That's
wild.
good.
Oh, it's moving.
So the ultrasound actually transverses the baby's skin
Right, just like we
and
penetrate.
get to the skeleton. Yeah, you go to
Yeah,
the
just
skeleton.
like- We penetrate mom's skin, we penetrate the baby's skin.
Wow.
What's that?
Looking down at the buttocks area,
Oh.
these are some legs kicking around.
Oh, that's the rump?
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
And just going up the body now.
Oh,
It moves around a lot.
really?
This baby
Yeah.
is very much, yeah. Very active.
It does this all the time on me. Like I'm walking and it's moving and.
How big is this baby, the whole thing? How many inches like long?
Inches would be a guess on my part. The weight of the baby is approximately 14 ounces, so not quite a pound yet.
Almost a pound.
Wow.
This is a baby's heart.
Is that a face?
No, this is the
The
baby's
heart.
heart.
Oh. I thought the mouth is opening up, but it's the heart.
Oh, there's the.
Well, that's
heartbeat.
magnified, huh?
Yeah,
That's
quite
a
bit.
nice, good heartbeat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Masa, this is so exciting. You're doing a great job, Mom.
Thanks.
So we can see the nice 4 chambers of the heart.
Wow.
Wow.
What a miracle.
Is it fast or slow?
It's much faster than ours.
Like a hummingbird.
Usually beats like 150. That's about average.
Doesn't that look like it could be a mouth and a nose?
Yeah, sorry.
in the 80s?
No, well, it's hard to really say. I think some of the first ultrasounds were done in the late 60s. But it wasn't very common, only, very rare.
Because
And-
none of our moms had them in the 70s.
Right, some, they were around, but usually when they were high risk or something. And then it was a lot more common in the, 80s. But even then, it wasn't all that common. It wasn't standard care.
Right.
It wasn't standard care,
There's the
no.
slime. That is such a trip.
There's a little hand
Yep.
right there. And the other
It's a
hand.
squirrely little guy.
Little person.
Mm-hmm. A little munchkin.
Okay, well this little one looks good. Let me get you some pictures and show you cuter things. Now this is a little face kind of looking at us.
Oh,
Moving
wow.
now, moving around, let's see. So the two eyes, the
Oh,
nose,
there's the nose.
mouth.
Yeah.
Oh. There's your face.
Oh, I felt a kick too.
This little face.
Okay,
That
here's what it
air
look
is
like.
flowing right here.
Oh, is it? Yeah, near the air.
That's the face.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
Must take practice.
Oh.
Just
to read
moving a
these.
little bit
Yeah.
for a second there. A little hands right here,
Yeah.
but they're moving a lot.
Totally. Look at them.
They even have fingers.
Oh, everything's developed by now. I did all
Wow.
that in the first trimester.
Wow.
I made all of that. That's what was so exhausting. We got fingers and toes. I just felt that.